Guys, I've noticed you struggle. I've noticed my students struggle with this part of Clementi. So that's Sonatina Opus 36, number 3 in C major. So that's the part. So the struggle is the trill. And the left hand has this passage. So we start with the start of the bar, with the beginning of the bar. We have the arpeggio. So in the left hand is playing the beats, the equal notes, equal quavers, equal, same, same. In the right hand, when you start with the trill, I would start with the A, then I would do the tickle, 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 and stop with the A as well. So we start with A, we finish with A as well. So one more time, I'll show you. A, tickle, trill, and stop. So we will just try and put it together with the left hand. So we start with A together with the D. Off we go. D and A. Start trill. Stop. See, we started with A, we finished with A. We started with D, finished with F sharp, and they are equal notes in the left hand. One more time, I'll show you again. Start with A. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Then the next part, we have 2 grace notes, which go into the G. So the G in the right hand, the last G, falls together with the left hand, the G as well. But the grace notes, the shorter notes, played on its own, like this. So that would be the second part of the trill. Think about it as about 2 separate different parts. So we have grace notes. So first we have the trill. Start with A, equal left hand, equal, 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 stop. What I would recommend to take your hands away after the first part and then continue with the grace notes separately. So like this, watch. 1, 2, 3, stop, take your hands off, then we continue. That will help you or the children to understand the different parts, and they have different values and different methods to approach learning. So again, 1, 2, 3, stop. So I'll play that part again slowly, the whole line.